Complacency is a major reason land development has not progressed in the last quarter century. We have been developing civil engineering and land surveying technologies for 50 years. We have witnessed two distinct periods of the consulting industry. Before the mid-1970s, complex calculations were by hand and dependent on memory within our brains for land surveying and civil engineering tasks. Then, a new era arrived that reduced both time and errors for these tasks. Until the end of the past century, each year, technology experienced explosive growth in both capacity and speed. The industry hungered to be the first in line to have the latest and greatest solution to have the edge over their competition. By the beginning of the 21st century, 25 years ago, we witnessed a change in attitude. The industry standardized on a singular limited solution, Autodesk CAD-based software, for engineering and surveying applications. Please keep in mind, CAD automates only known methods of the past. Complacency seemed to have replaced the need for a significant competitive advantage over one's competition. Without having a technical advantage, a consulting firm is limited to compete. We began to notice other forms of complacency setting in. In the first 25 years, the industry was embracing new ideas along with the new technology, again striving to be the leader to grow their businesses. This past 25 years, we introduced market-proven methods that significantly reduced infrastructure to land development, embraced by builders, developers, and municipalities. In addition, we introduced revolutionary new technologies proven to create better outcomes than possible with CAD. We began to witness an industry that just didn't seem to care. "That's the way we've always done it" attitude seems to have been replaced by "Why learn something new because we're making enough money?" or simply, "Why care?" It's easy to keep doing the same thing day to day. The very meaning of complacency. However, that same thing is holding back progress in the very world that we live in. Please understand that the more cookie-cutter and monotonous a development is, the easier it is to knock that job out fast and get paid. If you don't like the new developments being built, complacency is not helping. But it's not the only barrier that needs to be overcome. Today's regulatory system is also to blame.